Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to simply crop any photo in Google Photo. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following me to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to open up your Google Photo. I'm going to click right here, open up my Google Photo. So having opened up your Google Photo, the next thing you need to do is to select the photo that you would like to crop. Like for instance, I'm going to crop this photo. Then when you select the photo, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three dots from the top. Then it's going to open up like so. Now what you need to do right here is to choose any of the effects right here. So I'm going to simply click on this particular effect, cool effect. Then having selected on the effect, it takes you to the environment whereby you need to get to crop to. Now you can swipe from the effect right here and play around with some of the effects that will work in line with your photo. Then right here you have suggestion from the bottom right here. So what you need to do under the suggestion, swipe to crop, as you can see right here, crop. Once you move to the crop, then you can adjust how you want to crop the image. Everything depends on what exactly you are looking at. Without losing the quality of the image, you can easily crop your photo with Google Photo. It's as simple as that. Once you are satisfied with the result, next thing you need to do is to simply click on Save Copy right here. And it's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.